am Sonia Mehta. I would like to inform you that today is World Hepatitis Day. I will take this opportunity to make you all aware about the hepatitis and its causes. 28th July was chosen as a World Hepatitis Day because it is the birthday of Dr. Blumberg, who discovered hepatitis virus B and also its diagnostic test. He also discovered the vaccine for hepatitis. So in order to raise awareness, today our student Shubham Chugh will tell you about the hepatitis, its causes, its symptom and its preventive measures.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I am going to discuss about some topics which are hepatitis, its type, preventive measures, treatment and causes. Now hepatitis is an inflammatory liver disease which can cause due to certain drugs, viruses and consumption of alcohol. Clinically it is recognized that hepatitis is of 5 types: hepatitis A, B, C, D and E. Among the all, hepatitis B is the dangerous one. Now first A. Hepatitis A is also known as infectious hepatitis. Now the cause of hepatitis A, or we can say mode of infection of hepatitis A, is contamination of food, clothing, eating utensils, etc. Actually, hepatitis A is a mild disease of children and young adults. It is caused due to contamination, fecal contamination. Now, its symptoms can be anorexia, that is loss of appetite, nausea, diarrhea, fever and fevering chills. Normally a person can cure from this disease in 4 to 6 days. 6 days. Now hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is known as serum hepatitis. It is the most dangerous among the all. The cause or mode of infection of hepatitis B is sexual contact, contamination of blood, transfusion equipments. It can also be spread by tears and saliva. Although vaccine is available for hepatitis B, but still this one is most fatal and most dangerous. Now hepatitis C. It is non-A, non-B hepatitis. The mode of infection is similar to that of hepatitis B, that is transfusion equipments, contamination of blood and sexual contact. But it is the cause of liver cancer. Liver cancer is the most important thing which should be noticed in this hepatitis C. Now hepatitis D, also known as delta hepatitis. It also has the same mode of infection from hepatitis B. Now this is the cause of liver damage. In later stages of hepatitis D, the liver turns smaller, greenish or yellowish in color. It has a very high fatality rate. Now hepatitis E, it is known as non-B infectious hepatitis. This hepatitis has the highest mortality rate but very low symptoms and causes. It is rare but still has a higher mortality rate. So with this all covering up the diseases and its type, now I would like to tell you about some preventing measures and some causes also. So first of all, for preventing measures is none other than hygienic surroundings. So for hygiene, you should wash your hands and should clean your surroundings, which is very common, but the thing that every people think that it is very common, but if ignored can cause very destructive diseases like hepatitis and other diseases also. So I don't think that I have to spread knowledge about hygiene, because in this decade of COVID-19, I don't think that anyone is taking hygiene grantedly. But this should continue for another decades also. So, jumping to other topic, which is symptoms. The symptoms of hepatitis include nausea, loss of appetite, vomiting, fever, fevering chills, and other things which are common like cold and other. The sclera of your eyes turns yellow in later stages, or we can say final stages, but the smaller symptoms are shown in the earlier stages, and hepatitis can be curable, but it cannot be taken as granted. So all the preventive measures and vaccines are available for hepatitis and other diseases also. So at last, wrapping my topic, I would like to thank Mrs. Sonia Mehta, my biology mentor, who encouraged me and helped me to make this video to spread the knowledge about hepatitis, and I would be thankful to her that she gave me a chance in her video to help and tell other people about this very interesting topic. So thank you and have a nice day.
We also conducted an activity that is poster making on the theme World Hepatitis Day. Every year, millions of people die due to lack of awareness of hepatitis. I hope we have played our role in educating you about this dreadful disease. Thank you.